Last weekend, I went down to Welland Steam Rally near Worcester, whatever. And I would be having a go at heavy haulage with the Thornycroft Antar. So a few people are asking why I didn't drive the Antar and trailer to the show, and the reason was the Antar and the trailer haven't actually done anything in the last 30 years, and it probably wouldn't have been wise to have drove it 100 miles. And good job we did take it there on a trailer, because almost immediately the fan belt snapped and a pipe fell off to the air tanks, and that was soon fixed. But things like that you don't want happening down the road. So I never grew up around steam engines, so this show was great for me because I got the chance to have a go on a few, and it's actually quite difficult. There's a lot going on.
Poor Dave. What's about to happen, Anthony?
I've been forced into doing this.
To break it.
Yeah, that way.
Yeah, it always has. It's always a one-way system, isn't it?
There's a little bit, isn't it?
So for the people that don't know, the blue thing is a steam engine dyno to see what power it's producing. We then thought we'd have a go at underlifting the Antar and towing it with the Scammell Crusader and a steam engine.
That way is the way, isn't it? Nothing to see here.
Snap that out.
Bit of black.
Here.
Now what are you going to do? Frame it.
Where do you want it?
Dry grass. Get it going.
We just all stare and look at it, shall we?
I ain't got a plan.
We've bent this.
Oh,
That was your fault.
one straightening then, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think on the side of that trailer looks like the place for that.
Yeah.
While the lads mended the steam engine, I went to see how Lou was getting on with the 22RB.
Look at that massive loop.
Oh, JCB sound nice. It's like it's part of him, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like an extension
Fluid.
of his arms. Isn't
Yeah. An extension of his arms is a good way of putting it.
it? There's not much. This is a middle bucket, isn't it?
Oh yeah, he could have put a floor in it, couldn't he?
We left Louis to learn how to drive the RB, and then we got in Big Dave to do some car crushing.
Ways about getting on, cracking on for 60 tons. So there's a very low look at that. This is powered by a diesel engine. It's one of the famous diesel engine that's used on stick cars of World War II. So we also, after the war, powered up the vehicles with the same engine. So buses are powered, buses are fuel consumption, buses are roads. Nothing the harbour was, they can demonstrate that.
I then took Dave to do a little bit of off-roading.
I just feel the whole wind now.
Yeah, it has at the start now.
I don't think it's going to pull that out.
Oh no!
What's happened?
Terrible things happen.
Every year I get in this hole with Dave, and every year it breaks down in the same place.
When you're going up the hill, just keep pumping the throttle like hell.
I was running alright.
Yeah.
About there.
In fact, the other day I got it up a hill and I just kept pumping like hell and it went.
Something's on fire.
After that, me and Joe went to try and recover a Scamel that blew its gearbox up.
Oh, sorry. You got the brakes on. Put a cross lock in.
I hadn't realised but the inside tyre was flat, and they spun the rim and ripped the valve off, which was ideal. I also hadn't realised that the diff lock wouldn't work because the pipe to the air ram had fell off. We did actually put it in with a bar and tow them out in the end, but we forgot to film it, so apologies for that.
It's only spinning the outside wheel.
Now, I am sorry that I just didn't film enough. I'll be honest, it's nice to have a weekend where we actually get to play with everything and enjoy ourselves, so I should have filmed more, but we just didn't have enough people and there was a lot going on. I want to just say thank you to everyone that came up and said hello. It was quite overwhelming actually how many people came up and said hello and bought us drinks and whatever, so massive thanks to everyone that did that. And we shall definitely be coming back to Welland again. We thoroughly enjoyed it. And also, don't forget that it is our local show operation Market Harborough this weekend. So if you have got a chance, come on down to Market Harborough. And the last thing I need to mention is the raffle for the Tiger Tank. I'm sorry that I didn't do a live stream. It was the first raffle I've ever done. A chap named Jeff in Washington DC won the tank. Real nice guy, follower of the channel, and he was the guy that won. So thank you all that entered the raffle, and I would quite like to give £500 to charity. So let me know in the comments what charity you think would be appropriate for our channel to give that £500 to, and we shall see you all again in another video. Thank you.